friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making broiled codfish. For this easy recipe, I need fresh cod, seasonings of your choice. I'm going to be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and I'll also use some olive oil, or you can use melted butter. And before making this video, I preheated the oven to broil. And here I have my baking sheet, and I lined it with foil for easy cleanup. So now I'm going to season the fish. So I'm going to drizzle it with some olive oil. So olive oil helps keep it moist and also keeps it from sticking. And now I will sprinkle the seasonings. So here is salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and now I will rub in the salt and seasonings. And now I'm going to flip it over and also season the other side as well. So again, I'll drizzle with olive oil. And sprinkle the seasonings. Here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And rub the seasoning and oil. So now the cod is seasoned, and I'm going to put it on a baking sheet. Perfect. And now I will put it in the oven under the broiler. So again, the oven is preheated to broil. I'll put it on a top shelf and broil until the fish is cooked. So the fish has been under the broiler for 10 minutes and it's ready. I do recommend always using an instant read thermometer to make sure the fish is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's my cod fillets. And look how good they look. Looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let me just measure the internal temperature here. It's over 145. So if yours is less than 145, just return it back in the oven for another few minutes until it's fully cooked. The temperature also depends on how thick is the fish, and also some ovens cook differently. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Look at this beautiful fish. So let me just show you. See, it flakes so easily with a fork. Perfectly cooked. so tender, perfectly seasoned. It's moist and juicy. Such a delicious fish. You will love broiling it, and it's so easy. You just put it in the oven and it does all the work. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!